Hey, this is Chris with Affiliate Tuber, and I've decided to start a video series on generating or creating multiple YouTube channels that basically run themselves on autopilot. So when I mean autopilot, I mean that the tools I'm going to be showing you will actually find the content, the images, create the video, add the voiceover, and upload to your channel all by itself. And this tool, there's 3 different versions of the tool. You can find them all here at YIVEapps.com. And I do not own these products. A guy by the name of Marcus Cudd does, and he is a genius with this stuff. These tools are absolutely amazing. And there's 3 of them currently available. One is called YIVE Amazon. And this tool lets you use keywords or Amazon ASINs to find Amazon products, and then the tool itself will create video reviews of those products, and it will add audio to that video review based upon the 4 to 5 star reviews that it finds on that product, which is pretty amazing. And then there's an SMB version, which stands for small business. These 2 products we're going to get in a later series. So if you want to stay up to date with me as I go through these and do this series, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell so when I upload the new ones, you will get notified about it. But the SMB version stands for small business, and it lets you to create videos a little bit different than what YIVE Amazon does. It gives you more control over them. And basically, you can create videos for promotions from any website URL. It will pull the data from it and the content from it, create the video, add the voiceover, and it's just amazing what it does. And then YiveCaster is another tool that I use to add content to my YouTube channels automatically, and it pulls that from RSS feeds that I use or based on keywords. Now, what I've been doing lately is using all 3 of these tools together on one YouTube channel. So not only is it sending a lot of great content from RSS feeds, creating videos from those and driving a lot of views to my channel, but in between it's also uploading Amazon product reviews that I'm using in the same niche as what I'm using YiveCaster for. So basically my whole channel is based on one topic in which I get data for content and also use Amazon product reviews for. So it kind of goes on its own out there and does all of this automatically once you set it up, and it will help you to generate a lot of extra commissions from Amazon or even from other affiliate networks if you use the small business version. So let's go ahead and get started in this first video. And what I want to do is take you into the YIVE Amazon tool, which is what it looks like here. Now, I have several accounts with YIVE. This is a brand new one that I set up so I can show you from scratch how to do it and how to set it up. So the first thing you do inside of YIVE Amazon is you come over and you click on account, and you're going to have to add your Amazon ID down at the bottom where it says Amazon Associates tag. Now, this tool only works if you have an Amazon Associates account. If you don't have an Amazon Associate account, you want to sign up for one. And I'm not sure what all the rules and restrictions are today for signing up for one. I've had my account for about 15 years. And I know since then they've made a lot of changes, so be sure just to look those over before you sign up for an account to make sure you get approved for it. Once you get approved, you just take your Associates ID tag, you add it down here. You can also syndicate your videos as they're uploaded through SendWire or SendLab. So if you have either one of these accounts, you can put in your API key or your SendWire email and password, and then every time YIVE uploads a new video, it will syndicate it out on its own. It has bit.ly authentication, so you can track the links and shorten your affiliate links. So what this will do is take your Amazon affiliate link, run it through bit.ly, shorten it, and automatically post it in the description of each video that it recreates for that specific product. And all you have to do is make sure you're signed into your bit.ly account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free at bit.ly and sign up, and then come back here and click on add bit.ly account, and it will automatically just sync it up. You just have to click authorize. This here is where you can enter an API key And what this does is it ties your YouTube channel into YIVE. So when YIVE creates the videos, it knows where to upload the videos to. Now, I don't use it from here. I actually create a new API key for every YouTube channel I have, and I do that because it allows me to upload more videos that way. Now you can see here YouTube privacy. You can set this if you want to upload as private, public, or unlisted. I usually just leave this on public. You can pause the entire YIVE system by unchecking this box, or just leave it checked and everything will continue running as normal. Okay, so when this is done, the first thing you want to do is come up and click on YouTube and Google API keys, because we have to create a Google API key before we can do anything. So click Create API Key, and then from here you need to get the client ID and the client secret. So what you want to do is click this little down arrow, and these are the directions for getting your Google API key, but I am going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click on this link where you can go to console.developers.google.com. Now, you want to make sure that you're signed in to the Google account that you want to use for the Google API key and the YouTube channel. Now, it's easy to be signed in to multiple Gmail accounts, so you want to make sure that you are only signed in to the one account. If you're signed into any of the other accounts, sign out. Because if you don't, when you go to create your key, for some reason it will jump from one account to another, and it messes it up and it doesn't work right. So once you're signed in to the one account with the same YouTube channel you want to authorize for YIVE, just click on console.developers.google.com, and it's going to take you to this page right here. So you want to click on I agree and continue. Now when this is done, the first thing we have to do is we have to set up a project. So I'm going to go up here and click Select a Project and New Project. It's going to give it a title. I'm just going to leave it the way it is and click Create. And we're going to give it about 30 seconds. You can see up here this little icon, how it's spinning. There's also one here when it's done. It usually stops. So we're just going to give it a minute. Okay, so it's done creating the new project. So you can see here it's selected. So the next thing we have to do is enable the Google or the YouTube API key. So we're going to click on Enable APIs and Services. And I know this may seem like a lot to begin with, but once you do a few of these YouTube channels, you can do this in just a matter of a couple minutes for each new YouTube channel you add to YIVE. You want to scroll down to YouTube Data API and click it, and then wait for the blue button here to load. Click Enable and wait for the API to enable. So what we want to do is click on Create Credentials, and from the drop down box choose YouTube Data API version 3. From the next drop down box choose the top one, Web Browser, and then choose User Data and click the blue button. Okay, when this box pops up, the first thing you have to do is set up a consent screen. So click that. The only thing you have to fill out here is an application name. You can type in YIVE. You can type in anything you want right here for the application name. And then you scroll down to where it says Authorized Domains. So what we want to do here is we're going to go back to YIVE. And you'll see here in step 10, it gives you this whole URL here. You don't want to use the whole thing yet. The only thing we want to use for this one is the yive.io. So I'm going to copy that, go back under Authorized Domains, and paste it and hit Enter. You have to hit Enter to add it, and then go down and click on Save. And then we create our OAuth client ID. This is the last step. So we click this, we click Web Application, and then we go back to our YIVE, and then we copy this whole URL and add it under Authorized Redirect URLs, and then hit Enter again. And then it's added. So now we click Create, and it's going to give us our credentials. Okay, so here's the client ID, here's the secret. We're going to copy these. And then for the name, I usually just leave this with the email address of that account. So we'll go back here. Want to close this one, click OK. Want to hover over my account here that I made, copy the Gmail address, and paste it in the name. And after that, just click Save API Key. Okay. Now, since I'm already logged in to this Gmail account and my YouTube account, all I have to do is click on Add Channel. And it's going to ask me which channel I want. You can see I've got a few of them here. I'm going to go down and click on the one that I've created here. And then it's going to give us a few pop-up boxes. All we have to do is click Allow 3 times. And then one more time. Okay, now you can see that this channel name is active. There's no campaigns, no videos scheduled to be uploaded yet. The APIs, this is the name we gave it and when it was last updated. So this is all there is to really adding the YouTube channels, and you can add as many as you want. And each time you add a new API key to a new YouTube channel, it gives you the option of uploading that many more videos every single day. Okay, so this is the campaign screen, and I'm going to go through and show you each one of these and how to set it up step by step. So the first thing we want to do is add our campaign name. So what I'm going to do is a YouTube channel based around projectors. And so what I'm going to just title it is just projectors. And then we're going to select the category. So this would most likely be under electronics. How many videos I want to upload a day? Well, since this is a brand new YouTube channel, I don't want to go up to 5 because that looks suspicious. 5 Amazon product review videos every day on a new channel. So we're going to go down and I'm going to start with let's just start with 2. And then after a few days, and after I add some content from some of the other tools you're going to learn how to use, then I will increase this. So for tags, I've already got these ready. The call to action. So this is actually going to show up at the very beginning of your video title name. And what I like to use here is the word review. You can use whatever you want. You can use compare. You can use anything else you want. But I like having the word review in my video title. So no matter what the projector video title is, if they're searching for a review at it, this is going to help it to rank better for it. Before description. So when YIVE Amazon upload your videos, the first thing that it puts in a description box is your affiliate link for that product. So if you want to add anything before that, this is where you would put it in the box. Maybe if you want it to go to your website, if you have a website on projectors and you want that link showing first, you could put visit my website, your link, and then a little bit of information about it, and then below that it would put your actual Amazon affiliate link. After description, so okay, Amazon YIVE adds a little bit of a description to your video on each upload. What I like to do is mix it up even further and add more content to it. And I do that by using Spin Rewriter. And if you don't know what that is, you can check it out at spinrw.com. And I'm actually going to show you what I do to get this content. So let me just open up my other browser here. Okay, so I done a search on Google and for projectors, or actually what I done, and this is a great way to get content and to spin it to make it unique so where it's not going to be duplicate. And what I would do is I would just search for something like projectors, how to buy guide, or how to buy projectors, and you're going to find all kinds of content based on that topic that is very interesting to people who's looking to buy projectors. So what I done was I found these 4 sites here, and I copied just a small snippet of a couple sentences from each one of them. So from this one, I took this little paragraph. Then from this page, I took this one. From this page, I took this one. And then from this page, I took this one. And then what I done was I went to spinrw.com. Now this is not free, this is paid. I've had this for years. I don't even know what the pricing of it is now, if it's monthly, yearly, or what, but this is one of the biggest tools that I use in my business anymore. So if you do a lot of this type of marketing, I highly recommend, whether you get this tool or a different one, you have some kind of spinning tool to make your content unique. So what I done was I pasted all these snippets in here, and then all I have to do is come down here and click one-click rewrite. And what it's going to do is take all this text and it's going to add a lot of variations to it. So you can see here in the background how it's doing that and how quickly it done it. Super quick. And so basically this is spun content, which means every time that it uploads a new video, it's going to take a different version of the words inside of these brackets. So what I'm going to do is just click in here. I'm going to copy the content and we're going to go back and I'm going to paste it in the after description box. So it looks like this. Next, I'm going to come down here and click translations. Now this is usually a feature that you have to buy extra tools for or extra services that's going to cost you $20, $30 a month, and it's included with this for free. So this is a really, really nice feature they added. So basically you want to add your translations, so if somebody searches for these products in other languages, they're likely to find them there also. Now you can choose the text-to-speech language, so you can see all these languages that are currently available, and there's different speakers. Now I like Matthew, he sounds the most realistic. And then if I click sample.
Hello, my name is Matthew. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video pal.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like. Next, we're going to do YouTube channel. So I'm going to select the channel that we just added. And then I don't have, or I'm not going to use a SendLab or SendWire account. I usually don't, and my videos still rank very well. So I'm not going to do those. We're going to make the account active as soon as I save it. If you don't want your account this to run as soon as you save it, uncheck this box. Okay, now for distribution, you can do live streaming or uploading. Since this is a brand new channel, if you want to play it safe, I recommend just to do upload on YouTube. Then after you have several videos on your account, you may come back in and switch it to live stream, because sometimes live stream videos do rank better. Now remember also, if you do live streaming, your YouTube channel does have to be double verified. Okay, so my associates tag is already in here from where we added it in the account settings. The region, we can choose what region we want if we're promoting in a different area than Amazon.com. Okay, and now products. So for products, if you have a list of ASINs, you can paste them here by comma separating them, and it will go through every one of those products and find the ones that has either a 4 or 5 star review, and it will keep them. And if they don't have any reviews or any 4 or 5 star reviews, then it won't use those products. So, or we can search by keyword. So for this example, we can do projectors. Or let's just do projector and see what we get, and click search. Okay, so down here you can see that it automatically loaded all of these projectors, and they're all green and checked, which means they all have reviews for them. You can see 4.9, 4.8, 5, 4.9. And I'm going to load more of them. And I'm going to keep doing this 4 or 5 times. Okay, so here's where it stopped, and you can see all the projectors that we have that it's going to make reviews of and upload to our YouTube channel automatically. We don't have to do anything else for this. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some other ones here. I'm going to do mini projector, do a search, and if there's duplicates, it'll automatically take them out. So we'll just go ahead and keep doing this to get some of those in there. And then next I'll do maybe 4K projector. 4K projectors are more expensive, and so they would result in higher commissions. Like this one right here, $749. And there's one for $2,000. So we'll go ahead and add some of these. Okay, so we have a pretty good list of products here now, and if we upload 1 or 2 a day, it's going to take a while to get all these on there. Okay, so we are done with this campaign. We've added everything in here. It's going to do 2 videos a day. We have our call to action. Nothing before the description. I want my affiliate link there first. And we got our translations. The YouTube channel selected. It's active. We have it set on upload. Okay, and that is all there is to it. So now we come to the bottom and we click Save Campaign. Okay, so it is active now. It's set to upload the videos, not live stream them, for 2 videos a day. And as right now we have 134 products that it is going to be uploading to our channel. So now we can come in here and we can go back in our account and edit it at any time. We can go in there and pause it. We can clone it and use it on another YouTube channel. I can click on projectors here and we can see what's going on with it. And as of right now, we haven't given it enough time to do anything. But what it's going to do in here over the next 10 to 15 minutes is it's going to start creating videos for those product reviews. And we're going to be able to see the status of them and see it as it uploads them. So what I'm going to do is pause this video for a little bit while it does that, and then we're going to come back in here and see it. And I'll show you one of the videos once it uploads it to the YouTube channel. Okay, so it's been about 10-15 minutes and I refreshed my page, and you can see now that 10 minutes ago it created these. The data was downloaded for it to create the videos, and the 2 that we said per day we're going to upload has already been uploaded as per the status here. So what I can do is I can click on View. So what I want to do is go ahead and click on the YouTube, and then we're going to click on this link. Okay, so we can see this video is exactly 1 minute long. Most of these videos are only going to be 1 to 2 minutes long. So I'm going to play it here in a minute and let you see what it looks like. But first, if we scroll down here, you're going to see where it added review at the beginning, and then it took the title of the product and added it right here. And so down here at the bottom, we can see where this is my affiliate link. So if I click on it, it is going to direct me exactly to this product. And we can see the description it added, and the spun content actually did not work in here for some reason. So I'm going to have to find out what happened. In the meantime, I'll go in here and just manually remove this. Let's go up here and we'll play the video, and so you can hear what it sounds like.
I use this projector in my room for watch movies and play games. I watched a few movies and a couple kids movies. My son's so happy with the big screen. And the picture is incredible and looks absolutely clear. This projector so easy to use. You can easily change the screen size and change the picture quality. I tried to turn on the light, watch the movie with 3500 lumens color brightness. Not as good as all the lights off, but the picture quality still very clear. Perfect for a family time, watch movies together, play video in the
Okay, so you can hear what it sounds like and what it looks like. And for something that's completely automated, you're not going to be able to beat it. It takes all the information that's relevant to this projector, puts it together in a video, and uses the best voiceover that it can possibly use to create this. So do these tools work? Yes, absolutely. Let's go down here and go to my channel. And you'll see here where this is both of the videos that it created. And the images look great on there. The title looks great. You can see it was uploaded 11 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. And so that's all there is to it. Now, I do recommend for whatever channel you use for your affiliate niche that you're promoting products in, that you go up and you edit your details. So, for example, I'm going to go up here and let's go to my channel. And I'll go to Edit. And I'm going to upload a photo. And we'll just do this one here, and we're going to call this guy Tom. Click him, open, and click done. Okay, there it is. And then I can come down here and click edit, and I can change this to Tom. and click OK. Change name. Okay, and there's this account. Now, what I would also do is, let me go back into here, go to my channel, and customize channel. And I would change my channel art. But what you can do is click add channel art, and if you don't have any channel art, you can go to somewhere like pixabay.com to get free backgrounds. So I'll go ahead and go there. And you can search for anything you want. So let's just do let's just see what they got for projectors. Okay, so this is actually great. I could use something like this, something related to film. Okay, so I'm back to here. I'm going to click add channel art. Select a photo and upload it. All this just makes your channel look more legit. So there's less chances of it getting banned. And that's another reason for making your channel double verified. And if you don't know what double verified means, if you go up to your settings, go to Creator Studio, and over here we'll go to Channel. You can see right here where it says to verify, and if it's not verified, then you won't be able to have custom thumbnails, you won't be able to live stream, and you won't be able to have videos over 15 minutes. So to double verify account, you simply click on verify, select your country, and you can either call or text with the numbers, put in the verification code, and then it'll double verify it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I just got done verifying my account, so I'm going to click continue. And now you can see it says verified, and live streaming, I can enable that by clicking here if I want. I can now have custom thumbnails, and I can now have videos over 15 minutes. So all this kind of helps protect your account to make it look more legit, and that's exactly what we're doing here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this to run now, and I'm going to use this same channel as an example as I continue to demonstrate the other tools and then how you can use advanced strategies with these tools to really create a massive reoccurring income automatically using YouTube videos and the YIVE app. So if you want more details about them, that link is yiveapps.com. It'll take you to this site where you can check out all three of the products that they have. But you can learn more about it by going to each one of these products there. That'll tell you more about it. They got demo videos. And so if you do like this video and if you want notified of the other videos that I'm going to be making in this series, just be sure you do subscribe to my channel, and you also click that little bell icon. If you got questions, things about this product that you'd like to know or just kind of stuck on, be sure you leave a comment underneath the video, and I will try to help you out the best I can with it. Thanks.